Wagwan people, Wagwan tea sippers, Wagwan me generals. How are you doing today? I hope you're feeling good. I hope you're looking good because we got another mini card reading, another mini pick a card reading for you today. Okay, and the mini pick a card reading for you today is we're gonna look in what are their thoughts of you today. So if you haven't already, please like and subscribe to Wagwan Tarot and Tea. Okay, sit back and relax. If you have a nice cup of tea, keep sipping. Let us know what you're sipping on. Okay, I've got some coffee and some water, so let us know what you're sipping on. And we've got pile 1, pile 2, pile 3. So what number, okay, is calling you? Okay, we're gonna do a quick gratitude. Thank you, universe. Thank you, spirit guides. Thank you, guardian angels. Thank you, ancestors, for the messages that we're about to receive today. May the messages resonate with the collective on these fun mini picker card reads. Okay, always trust your intuition and use your discernment. Always. All right. Pile 1, pile 2, pile 3. See you on the other side. Ooh la la. Wagwan. Wagwan people, Wagwan tea sippers, Wagwan generals. So we are going to look into pile 1. Let's see what messages are under pile 1. Okay, so what are their thoughts of you today? Okay, we're going to look into this quickly. We have the world. Oh la la. They see you as somebody that they want to open up to in terms of their world. They see, creating a new beginnings. And I feel like, starting a cycle with you and possibly taking on a fool's journey. Okay, going back in terms of the tarot kind of like deck, it's like going back to, and starting a new cycle and going over. And I feel like it could be, a sense of a reconciliation for some of you. This could also be somebody who feels like you uplift their spirit. I feel like you move and groove them, okay? And I feel like they are inspired by your energy, and they admire your energy. And I feel like they can see your energy as somebody that they enjoy being around. And I feel like, if this is a past person, I feel like this person could also be seeing this and having memories of having those memories and also appreciating. I feel like they could be like now taking that time to maybe let go of any anger or resentment or anything like that that could have maybe possibly have caused the break or separation. But I feel like it's kind of also now appreciating, taking on more of an appreciative energy. And this could also be on your side as well. And but I feel like it's now, the world, seeing the world is kind of like, wow, like it's somebody that I can learn from. So there could be like maybe cultural differences. There could be also maybe age differences here to help you to know who this person could be. But I feel like this person is now really appreciative. This is what I'm getting, a sense of really appreciative. Okay, so we're going to pull out a quickly a Jamaican proverb. Let's see what Jamaican proverb wants to come out for pile 1 on this mini picker card. What their thoughts of you today. Oh, okay, 2 came out. Okay, when trouble take you, Pitney shirt fit you. I love this one. When trouble take you, Pitney shirt fit you. This simply means when you get into any kind of challenge or adversity, your mind now is going like round and round. Think of the world. To think of ways of how you can get yourself out of situations. So challenging, difficult, adversity, adapt, get yourself out of the situation and think out of the box. And I feel like this person sees you as, this is how this person sees you, as someone who's a go-getter. You find ways of making things happen. Okay, and I feel like this is the energy of like not really just accepting all the no. It's like, well, okay, if I can't get through here, I'm gonna figure out this different way. Okay, if I need to get manifest something, I'm gonna tap into my manifesting energy because I know I can do it. And I feel like this is the energy that they really admire about you. Okay, no buy puss in a bag. I love this one too. No buy puss in a bag. This simply means do not buy a puss. Do not buy a cat in a bag. Okay, do not buy a cat in a bag. And this is all of things as well about not having anything over your like it's kind of sense of like not having anything like messages of like ignoring the red flags. Okay, sometimes deals are too good to be true. Sometimes deals are too good to be true. But I feel like this with this person, they may have sensed that you are very intuitive. Okay, I feel like this could be an energy of like they recognize I'm getting like the side eye. Maybe you could be very animated in your face. And I feel like they sense that you can read them very well. Okay, and I feel like that also kind of like intimidates, but also it intrigues them as well. And there may have been conversations like, oh my gosh, like how do you know, like there could be things like that. That's what I'm kind of getting. But I feel like they admire your strong sense of intuition. Okay, all right, so we're going to pull out a quick message from the charms. Let's have a look. My eyes are closed. Let's see what wants to come out for the collective who chose pile 1. Okay, so we have a frog. So we have like a frog, like lizard, leaping. You know, think of the frog. It like leaps. It goes to different. Again, think of it's like the energy of the world. New, like trying new things, exploring new things. We have the fox. So we have like a fox and the frog. So they could be like very different in personalities, very different in attitudes, and this could be something that they're really drawn to. Look at that balance, this balance, and opposites attract, and maybe there could be what creates a balance in this union. This could be also somebody new, okay, that is also admiring you and your worldly nature. There could also be like maybe again going back to, I feel like there's a strong energy of cultural or appreciation of cultures. Yeah, so take what applies. Okay, right, and then we're going to just leave it with one clarification message. Let's just see what wants to come out. If we can have any clues please, and to describe who this person is. Okay, something like to come out. Help describe this person please for the collective who chose path 1, or what their thoughts are for today. I feel like that wanted to come out. Ace of Wands, 8 of Coins. So this could be a colleague. I feel like something did wanted to come out, but I'm not. Let's see what it was. A Chariot. It was the Chariot. Look at the Chariot. So I feel like this person with the Ace of Wands and the 8 of Pentacles being here, the 8 of Coins, I feel like there's it's somebody, again, this energy of like you ignite, you inspire. Now maybe perhaps it could be somebody who's in a work environment. It could be someone that you may have worked with. It may have been, you may have worked on a project, or may have had talks about doing things together. If this is like also from the recent past, but I feel like this is somebody who really also may, if it's the recent past, may also want to repair things, come towards you and the thoughts of wanting to start anew, especially with the world, because the world is representing kind of like the end, and then having to go back and start the fool's journey. So in tarot, again, that fool's journey of starting back things up. So I hope the messages, collective, are resonating. And you know what we like to do around here? Take what resonate and leave the rest. I saw it go. This simply means take what resonate and leave the rest. That's how it goes around here. But be sure to look good, feel good, tap into that energy. Okay, and look after yourself always. All right, one love and wagwan. Wagwan people, wagwan tea sippers, wagwan Majana rules. So we have pile 2. We are going to look and see what messages are under pile 2. So if you haven't already, please like and subscribe to Wagwan Tarot and Tea. Come and join the Love and Light family. Alright, let's see Wagwan. Okay, so we have the Chariot. Ooh, someone wants to come to you. Someone, you know, I feel like the way you, the type of person you are, okay, and this may help you to know who this person is. They really admire you, and I feel like it's almost like, you know, wherever you are, they always want to be close. They always want to be like coming towards you. And I feel like could be the energy here. There could be some strong Cancer energy here as well. But I feel like this person is really drawn to you. This is the energy. Now, you know, if this is, again, this is a new person, you know, this could be someone that really wants to get to know you. And if it's a past person, this could be this, again, this could be also this energy of really wanting to reconnect, really wanting to reconcile. So let's have a look and see what's come out. Okay, so we are going to start with the Jamaican proverb. Ooh. We'll start with the Jamaican proverb. It feels like this wanted to, some stickers wanted to come out as well. So we'll look at the stickers for you. Right, so what can we have a message from the Jamaican proverb, please, for pile 2, and what their thoughts are for you today? Oh, so we have, thank you. The peacock hide him foot when him hear about him tail. So the peacock hide its feet when it hears about its tail. So this is a sense of pride. Okay, this is a sense of like, maybe not being always coming forward and saying how they truly feel. So this, look, being too proud strips you from growing. Don't stop yourself from learning. Okay, so I feel like this message, collective, is there could also be a sense of pride here, a sense of like coming forward, wanting to come forward, but not, or maybe expressing what needs to be said. Okay, so some of the stickers wanted to come out, so I want to see what stickers wants to come out. Look at that. Let's see what wants to come out. Anything else for the collective? Woo, okay, so we have, yeah, there seems to be a lot of energy around money, also health, eating, maybe you know, looking good, feeling good, maybe and maybe someone's really in there, like feelings, or sitting thinking about it. Could be Four of Swords or energy, could be the Four of Cups energy that I'm getting. I feel like this person could be maybe thinking that they want to kind of get, I'm getting, especially with the energy as well of the Jamaican proverb, the peacock hides its feet, this kind of sense of like wanting to be right before they come at you. This is the energy that I like. They want to get things right, maybe get things money right. I feel like there could be a lot of external things, maybe externally wanting to look good, or before they come towards you with, I feel like this is kind of the energy that they may sense or feel like they need to do this, or they want to do this. Okay, but I feel like there is a strong energy of wanting to come towards you, but really wanting to look the part. Okay, so let's pull out a message from the Simply Tarot. Let's see what wants to come out for the collective control pile 2. Can we have an additional message, please, to help describe who this person is and what their thoughts are of you for today? Ooh, so we have the Page of Cups and we have the King of Coins. So it did come out reverse, and I feel like this person wants to come like this. This is the energy they want to come, but I feel like there could be some kind of maybe money differences. Maybe you may, you know, for some of you that you might be earning more than this person, or this person, you know, they have good intentions, they have maybe also ambitions to want to do better in life, but they just may not be there yet. There could also be an age difference here. Okay, And this person, especially with we've got the fish being here in the cup, they could be wanting to, I feel like be in, especially with the two fishes here, maybe wanting to be in balance with you, okay, in terms of like meeting you, meeting halfway at least, okay, as well as like being able to come and so that they can blossom with you. But I feel like there's a strong energy of feeling like they're not fully together, and I feel like this could be the issues that they may be experiencing at this time. So we are going to end with a message from the Charms collection. So let's have a look. Eyes closed. Let's see what wants to come out for the collective who chose pile 2. What are their thoughts today? Okay, so we have yes, and look, there's a strong energy of like thinking about the future. Again, we were talking about the legacy, you know, look at all these signs about money, maybe thinking, contemplating about it, you know, maybe they could also be contemplating about thinking about, oh, if I'm going to come forward, you know, what is it that I can really truly offer? Okay, I feel like there's also an energy of, look, seahorse, look at that seahorse. So again, that's like that soulmate energy. There's 2 horses here. Okay, one is looking extravagant, and then there is also like you know, like 2 horses here. So I feel like this almost could be an energy of like, again, maybe not having a song that's coming to mind is When It Comes to Loving. It's a song called I may not have everything to may not have money in my pocket to, or let's see, I may not have money to entertain you, but when it comes to loving, I'm alright. Alright, yeah. So I think the song is Loving Pauper. I know the cover by Freddie McGregor, which is a reggae singer, but I can't remember who's you know who originally sang the song. If you do know, put it in the comments below. But I feel like it's an energy of not having the same, and I feel like this could be what can hold this person back. They may feel like financially they are not may not have the things, or feel like they are. And I feel like this is kind of, I'm getting this apprehension, like this could be what they're sensing at the moment, that they're feeling like they can't come forward. Look at that, we've got a bird that looks a bit like a peacock. Look at that. Okay, and the butterfly wanting to blossom, wanting to transform. I feel like this person wants to transform, wants to grow, but I feel like those could be those deep inner feelings that they may have at this time. So collective, take what resonate, okay? Take what resonate and leave the rest, okay? This simply means take what resonate and leave the rest. I saw it go. That simply means that's how it goes around here. But be sure to look good, feel good, and stay blessed, stay hydrated, and I'll see you on the next one. Wagwan people, Wagwan tea sippers, Wagwan my generals. So we have pile 3. We're going to look and see what messages are under pile 3. But if you haven't already, please like and subscribe to Wagwan Tara and Tea. Alright, let's get into it. Okay, let's see. Wagwan. Okay, so we have 2 cards. So what are their thoughts of you today? I feel like with the 5 of Swords being in reverse, someone wants to stop this. Like, I'm kind of getting, this could be an energy. This is someone that you know. Okay, I feel like this is someone from your recent past. I feel like this person wants to stop the argument, wants to stop all the fighting, and really wants to reconnect with you. And I feel like this is kind of also reconnect with you, and be like, I'm getting the energy of really being open with you, like from an inner child to their present day. I feel like they really want to be like, okay, then look, I'm not going to be, I don't want to be fighting no more. I don't want to be I just want to be open. This is the energy I'm getting. This person's really wanting to come forward and really say how they truly feel. Okay. All right. So we're going to pull out a Jamaican proverb and see what additional messages we can gather. For the collective who chose path 3, what are their thoughts of you today? What are their thoughts of you today? Well, 2 came out. So we have wanty, can't get it, get it, no want it. Now this is one of my favorites as well. Like, I feel like all the Jamaican proverbs are my favorites, but this one really goes back to this feeling of when you have something, you have it, and then it's like you want the wanting of you wishing and yearning to have something, and then when you have it, okay, or you can't get it because it's that feeling, and then when you get it, it's like you're rejecting it. And I feel like this is what this person may have kind of recognizing now, because it's again, look, it's about that 4 of Cups energy. Appreciate what you have, don't block your blessings, be thankful, show gratitude. And I feel like this could be an important message for you at this time, and this could also be like for this person as well, to has maybe gone through this process of really understanding this union and really recognizing like, wow, like there were so many things that I to be thankful for. And I feel like this person is really appreciating that, especially with the sun being here. It's like looking back at things and now seeing things for what it is and really being appreciative. Okay, and I feel like this could have been something that you may have experienced. Okay, now we have to see me and live with me are 2 different things. This is another favorite of mine. To see me and live with me are 2 different things. The 2 different things. This simply means to see somebody, okay, and to live with them is 2 different things. Okay, and I feel like things are not always what they seem. So be aware. Take time to know the person and thyself. And I feel like this is why intuitive gems. I feel like this is why the sun is here, because I feel like the sun is here is like this person now wants to reveal. They want to come forward. They want to be open. They want to be true. They want to take that time to really say how this is why they've been the way they were, or been how they've been with you. I feel like they really want to be open and really like that time. I feel like this is like a strong energy of this person really wanting to come forward. Now if it's a new person, I feel like this person really wants to be like, look, I want to be honest with you, I want to be true, okay, and I want to tell you this is where I would like things to grow, and would like things to blossom with you. And I feel like with someone in the past, they also have those same energies as well of wanting to be honest now, okay, and bring their guard down. Okay, so let's pull out a additional message just to clarify this read, please, from the Simply Tarot. Let's have a look. Ooh, something. Wait, look at that. The King of Cups. The King of Cups represents being emotionally open, not being afraid to be emotionally vulnerable and express and show. And I feel like this person this is the energy that they really want. They're really carrying at this time. They're really wanting to express their true feelings and open up, okay, not having their armor to guard their heart or anything like that. It's like, right, I'm going to be true now. I'm going to express and show you how I truly feel. Like, I feel like this is what this person is saying at this time. Okay. All right, let's have a look and see what the charms want to tell us. So closing the eyes. So for the collective who chose Power 3, what additional messages can we receive, please, from these charms to help describe this person and their thoughts their thoughts of you today? Ooh. So grab the heart. So there's heart energy. And we have, this one says, I have to have a look. Hope you can see that. May have to put it against something. So it says here, a good friend is like a 4-leaf clover, hard to find and lucky to have. So again, this energy is someone who's really appreciating you, just for you, just for you. Okay, I feel like this energy is that someone wants to give you this energy. They want to be open up. Okay, I feel like this energy is they want to open up. They really do want to open up, and they see the balance in you. They see a balance. They see a balance. Okay, now I'm just going to pull out a message, quick, another additional message. What needs to be done here for this person to open up more? What needs to be done for this person to open up more? What needs to be done for this person to open up more? Ooh, that fell right on the floor. 1 second. Okay, so we have the Eight of Swords. I feel like this again, they have to let go of things. The Two of Cups, they really want to come forward, and we've got the Eight of Cups as well. So I feel like with the there's a lot of 8 energy, but I feel like with the Eight of Cups and the Eight of Swords, there could be like, if this is something to rekindle, it's kind of having to let go of the past. Especially with the Five of Swords, it's having to let go and start over. I feel like this kind of have to be this energy, and it has to be a mutual energy. It has to be a mutual agreement. But there is a soulmate energy here. There is a soulmate energy here. Okay, so a collective, take what resonates. Look at this with this just for you. Take what resonates, okay? But be sure. Oh, no. Let's go back. Rewind. Rewind. Okay. Be sure to take what resonates and leave the rest. That's how it goes around here. Okay, I saw it go. This simply means that's how it goes around here. Just take what resonates and leave the rest. We have to say it with power. But be sure, now we're back onto it now. Be sure to look good, feel good, stay blessed. Okay, stay hydrated. Okay, and I'll see you on the next one. Wagwan.